How do you have electricity out in the middle of the jungle? There's no CFE. How do you do it? With a great off-grid system like the one we've just installed in this house. My name is Roger Sherman. This is Ecocentro. So any great off-grid system starts with a great solar array, and you can see we've got these beautiful bifacial panels up on the roof on a very secure steel structure, lifting them high enough that they're mainly in the sun all day. And from there, the power goes down to the electrical room, which we'll show you right now. Okay, so this is the electrical room I told you about. We have light. We have two solar 15 kilowatt hybrid inverters with, if you swing around it so you can see this, these are our home grid batteries. We have 8 of them in a stack. And as you can see, we're at 100% state of charge, 99, 100%. It's 126. Everything is running absolutely smoothly and no noise of a generator. We do have a generator for when we have bad weather or unusually high consumption, but this system will just plow on, making free, clean power for many, many years. If you're interested in a system like this for your off-grid living, or just have grid independence or backup, please contact us and we'll be happy to give you a no obligation quotation.